Oh.
You doing the first time?
Oh. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's the first time. Oh, it hurts. Oh.
Oh, Sheila's so good taking care of Mama.
So, pari ryu.
Nice.
Lo caro varo. Kalna to pelo chokri varo ghusi gyo par.
Ah. Ah. Ah.
It's almost finished. Just 1 minute, okay?
Okay. I'm in need of some eyebrow special care. It's time to get some eyebrow threading. I found a place. It says like, I don't know, $5 or $10 for the eyebrows. Let's see if I can get it done. And Mama's here. Mama, say hi.
Hi. Hello.
That's Carla. Here, let's go get in. I'm gonna be like that man right here, because I got the eyebrows growing in the middle. All right. Kejas must mean open. Threading and waxing. Okay. Hello. Can you do some threading?
Yeah.
Threading my eyebrows?
Yeah.
Okay. How many years have you been threading?
5.
Oh, crying.
Finished.
Finish? All right. Want to see these? That is really good. I love that.
Thank
Good
you.
job. That is so good. Oh, okay. Mama, you want to try it?
I don't know if I need
Sheila,
it.
you want to take care of Mama?
Yeah.
Does she need or no?
You see?
Can she make it darker color?
Yeah. But it's no permanent, okay?
It's
H-
okay.
how
How long
long-
it lasts? Like a week? Or
It's
2
10 days, yeah.
That's
Every
good.
10
Good.
days.
Okay.
Okay?
Perfect.
Down.
Thank you, Sheila.
I'm getting eyebrows.
You're gonna get eyebrows today. Let's get that hair out of the way, right?
Hold it. Down. Hold it. Miss. You see? This hand. Here the fingers. This hand up. Yeah. Just a
So,
little bit up.
so you kind of pull the eyebrows up and down.
Yeah.
Oh.
You doing the first time?
Oh. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's the first time. Oh, it hurts. Oh.
Oh, Sheila's so good taking care of Mama.
Oh.
Leave it. Leave
Huh?
it.
Leave.
Just finish. Leave it.
Ah.
Down.
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 Hold it.
It hurts
Same
like
thing.
like pins and needles, right?
Yeah. I see.
Here, down, down. And this hand, up. Down, up, up, up. A little bit tighter, okay? Yeah, this one.
Ah. Ah. Oh.
It's almost finished. Just 1 minute, okay?
Okay.
Leave it. Leave it.
She makes you cry, right?
Yeah. Yeah. It hurt, but I could bear it.
Yeah, but she's so good.
You put the color, right?
Up to you, Mom.
Yeah.
Let's make Mama into a beautiful Indian woman.
Yeah. Make me look like I have eyebrows.
पहली बार ऐसा करा तो मैं छोकरों वीडियो बता रहा हूँ.
Oh, she's so good. Sheila's so good. We like her. She did already here.
Hmm. They have a certification for. Oh.
Is this henna?
No, it's tinting, hair color.
Hair?
Yeah,
Oh,
it's
oh,
eyebrows.
standard hair color, right?
Yeah.
Oh,
Was specially meant for eyebrows.
oh, special for eyebrows. Wow, nice.
Yes.
Oh yeah, because it has to be more good for sensitives, right?
दीदी सुपारी फरी जो हो
Nice.
પેલો કાળો વાળો કાલ નતો પેલો છોકરી વાળો ઘૂસી ગયો પર to wait, okay?
How long to wait?
5
Oh, not bad.
70 minutes. પ્રતિભાન કલર એટલે હેર આવશે ખરો રાઈટ કલર વાળ છે ખરા લાઈટ હોય
Actually, you have pretty dark eyebrows now already. I like it. Okay, now wait 5 minutes.
I'm laughing.
You look like Groucho Marx's sister.
Oh no.
I like it.
How does it look?
Definitely darker. I like it. It really blends. I like it.
Here, miss.
Oh, I like it. Yeah, very nice. I like it.
Let me see. Lay down. Let me see.
Do I take the mask off or not? I like it.
Is this one okay? Oh, I know. It's just because of wiping, right? There's more wiped from here, right?
No, skin ma.
No, that's okay.
Yeah.
That's okay.
Because in some of the
Here,
parts you
darker,
don't have
lighter.
no hair.
Oh, that's why, right?
I'm missing hair.
I see.
She have a scar.
Do I need
You're
to?
right. I feel a lot of hair here, less hair here. That's why. Yeah, nothing we can do. I love it. It's beautiful. Look at that. Look at that.
Yeah. Yeah, it looks great. I like it. We'll come back and do it again
Cool.
when it grows out. Yeah, I like it. Thank you.
Deal. Come every 2 weeks.
Yeah, every 2 weeks.
2 weeks, right? Okay. All right, Mama. You're done. Thank you, Sheila.
Thank you. Thank you. I like it.
Okay, see you. Good night. Good night. Bye-bye. Take care.
Thank you. Bye.
Oh,
I like
now
it.
we can see your eyebrows anytime.
Right.
Very, very visible.
I'm glad.
Well done. Okay, Mama. We did a bunch of things at this place. Let's go. Look, come here. Show off your eyebrows. Look at that. Looking nice. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
I
very
like 'em.
visible. Definitely, everybody will know that you have eyebrows. That's for sure. Looks very, very beautiful. Beautiful already.
Thank you.
All right, I want to wish you peace, love, health, and happiness. Thank you for watching that. Mama getting her eyebrows threaded and colored.
I love it. I'm coming back.
I was walking